In this module, we are going to talk about global climate change. Global climate change is characterized by seasonal changes over long period of time. Global climate change is tied to so many systems: people, plants, animals, food, water, and serious health risk. People all around the world are seriously concerned about climate change. But question is, how many people are really considering that we are polluting the environment, no one else? Natural factors of climate change: volcanic eruptions, ocean current, orbital changes of Earth, solar variations, forest fire. What I understand, all these factors, which is considered natural, they are also happening owing to human beings' activities. They are making arms, making doing experiments and exploding different ammunition in the air. That is what I mean damaging the climate at a serious level. Artificial factors of climate change: human activities, emission of greenhouse gases. So few people believe that there are some artificial factors and some are natural factors. But I understand that all the natural factors are also happening due to human activities. Effects of climate change: global temperature is rising sea level, loss of Arctic sea ice, melting polar icebergs and glaciers, health risks, change in soil moisture content, extreme weather conditions, more natural disasters, floods, and droughts. So, this is how we can see that we are not only damaging our environment but also creating more and more problems for the human life. What are the solutions regarding this global climate change? We can use alternative power, wind energy, and solar energy for making this environment more comfortable. Alternative of diesel, petrol, and gas in cars, that is regarding electronic and solar cars. Using air conditioners, refrigerators, and other appliances that release minimum or no chlorofluorocarbons, popularly known as CFCs. Planting two trees against cutting one tree. If you see that these chlorofluorocarbons usually used by the fast food restaurants to preserve food for a longer time, and then CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, are emitted in the air. And Pakistan government is taking this climate change very seriously. At one hand, they are doing forestation and have started already a billion uh, tree tsunami project for planting billion trees. On the other hand, Pakistan government has also introduced the e-tron system in our cars, and they are, I mean, importing e-tron cars, electronic cars, for making our environment more green. For that purpose, government has shown a great courage and giving more incentives to the importers and exporters that they can import cars that based on e-tron system, which usually charged with the batteries or electricity. So this is how our government is giving incentives to the individuals that by for giving, I mean, the income tax and other duties if they are going to import cars which are usually driven through electronic means.